Welcome to the N2One Portal web demo. For today I'll be demonstrating to you service calls. The common business case for customer service calls is that without the N2One Portal you may have two separate systems. What happens is you have your service call center and you have your business system. This requires double management. You have to do multiple tracking for when a customer purchases an item. You have to initiate a service contract, and then you have to manage that within your service center. This causes you to have to manually sync that service center back with your business system. You have to track if a customer calls in for a malfunction or an issue with their product that they bought from you. Therefore, it results in the manual synchronization and manual inputs from you trying to communicate within your service center and sending that data to your business system. This all becomes excess work and management, therefore resulting in multiple steps, and you're prone to have errors like data entry or user errors. Now with the N2One Portal, it is actually an all-in-one system, so that your service center is actually part of your portal, and that is linked to your business system such as SAP B1. With this, it becomes a simplified process with full tracking so that you can track from when they call in to automatically created in SAP. It becomes then easy management, and you get relevant up-to-date information so you can right away provide service to that customer. With that said, let us begin. Now we are going to log into our account d.wade@mheat.com, password. This is our account, and we have a section called help. Now down here you can see that there's a blank space. Reason that being is that if that customer does not have a service contract, then they do not have access to see their service contract. Now we're going to go into SAP and assign a service contract to this user. So in SAP under service contract, we're going to add our new user. So when I add this user, this will be the service contract. It can be a regular contract, or we can even specify it to be warranty. And then based on if it's a customer, you can also do on items. So we have our service contract, and here's our template. We can even go into details like with response time, if there's a renewal, items. If the customer's items, then you can set items that are associated with that service contract. And you can also specify the coverage in which you want to cover the customer. So we're going to cover from 8 to 5. This includes our labor and parts. And that is all. So now let's add the service contract. Okay, we've added the service contract. So if we were to go back into SAP, okay, so we've added the service contract. Let us go back into the portal now. Now if we log in as a customer, you can see when they go into the help info, now they have a service contract, an existing service contract. It starts today and expires in 2014. The response time is 3 hours and the resolution time is 2 days. Now, if say this customer has an issue with one of the products they bought, maybe like a keyboard or one of the services, they can request a service call. So the subject will be a broken keyboard. In here they will enter the information. Keyboard does not type correct. Some of the characters do not work. They can submit this in, and now the call has been placed. So as you so now you can actually log into SAP and manage your service call. Within SAP, there can be alerts set up which reminds you that there is a service call. And we can see here that we have the customer who has placed a service call from the web that they need assistance. The subject is they have a broken keyboard. And you can review the remarks that the customer has typed, and from there provide assistance based on what the customer needs are. So what does this mean? This means that for you can provide service for your customers, and is all within your system, so that from the moment they purchase an item, you can associate contracts to those items. And your customers can basically request support from you instantly from the portal. Therefore, is reducing the amount of work you have to do with managing an outside service support center. And that concludes the demo. Thank you. With the N2ONE portal, you get various advantages. First, your sales order alerts are in real time. My accounts show status updates immediately. ERP status updates integrated. Updates on order statuses back to your store in real time. You can update your credit card payment statuses. Records coupon usages. Access to order history for customers. Align payment terms from your ERP system to the e-commerce store. Your tax calculations based on the states and country. You can notify customers of order and shipping with tracking. Get shipping rates from FedEx and UPS. You can sync your product quantities with the store and also sync your product prices based on your ERP price list and assign them to your customers in the store. The N2ONE also includes a credit card payment module and a premium design. There's also more. With the N2ONE portal, you have your premium design. It can be deployed mobilely. It has ERP integration and analytics reports. With the N2ONE portal, the standard edition comes with SAP Business One. With the N2ONE Enterprise Edition, it comes with SAP All-in-One. The Developer Edition provides you a full customization to meet your customer e-commerce needs. Contact us today by going to http://blog.n2oneportal.com/contact-today. To secure your 25% discount, if you register by the end of the quarter, any order after that will receive a 25% discount. Thank you.